Hey guys, so we are currently here at AS Fortuna Mandaue and I'm Hagardo Versosa from work. So, kuanta, makaunta og ani kay nga pagkaon over here at Patdoy's. Right. Hey guys, so we're currently here at Patdoy's and I'm with Cebu food vlogger Ami Ikayo and also fashion vlogger Count Okra. We are eating cheese and cheeks over here and some spicy noodles. So mga lamig ang pagkaon. Very perfect for a stressful day. Tara, count na! So guys, fun fact, di ko kay balong gamit og chopsticks. So struggle is real. Ang tatis. Spicy siya. Guys, so we just finished eating our meal. How was it, Master?
Really good. Really good. Nami kayo.
Kay.com. Invite the people.
Hindi. Love post. Acha. Hindi. Hi guys, visit us here at Patdoy's located at AS Fortuna near Oak Ridge, along the road lang. So hope to see you guys. Thank you. Opa. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, Patdoy's is just easy to find. It's just along the highway of AS Fortuna and it has red door. Tako ang favorite color ng red. Right. So I'm gonna end my vlog here, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and see you in the next vlog. Share, love, love and world peace!